this second video, I'm on the third page. It says quadratic inequalities, and I'm actually gonna skip the one variable part and go down to the bottom where it asks you to graph a system because it seems very much connected to what we just did. So again, I had the inequality y is greater than x squared minus 4. We know that that takes our vertex down 4, and we graph the parabola. Notice that this one is a dashed line because we just have a greater than sign. The second one is y is less than or equal to x squared, negative x squared plus 3x plus 4, which is the solid line parabola facing down, which makes sense because we have a negative a. And just like when you shaded lines and you were looking for where the two overlapped, this seems to be the overlapping region right here. This would be where it's greater than x squared minus 4 would be all here, and less than negative x squared plus 3x plus 4 is down here. So what we do is we pick, again, what we think a test point, and I chose this point, 0, 0, and I put in 0, 0 into the first inequality, and I got 0 is greater than or equal to negative 4, which was true. And I put it into the second one, and I ended up with 0 is less than or equal to 4, which is also true. So this final region here, this is where my solution point is. I'm going to actually highlight it in pink. So that's how you go about graphing a system. You graph both of them and you're looking for the overlap. But that point, whatever that solution point is, should work in both. Piece of advice, I would never try to choose a solution point that is super, super close to either of the parabolas. You have so many points within this region. It doesn't make sense to go to something that could be like, maybe it's on the line, maybe it's on the dashed line, maybe it's a little bit inside. I would pick something that's very, very clearly inside that area, not kind of on the edge. So here's the answer to number 2, our solution point. Again, you can see we had shaded up and down, and this is our solution area. So again, what made sense here, love to use 0, 0 if I can. 0, 0 is right here. It's clearly in the region. Again, I wouldn't pick something that's right on the edge because it might not work. So please go to the next page, 3 and 4. There's a quick little picture of them, but see if you can make them work. You can also do this on your graphing calculator and then kind of do a sketch of it and see if you can find your solution points.